right? So when business is going very well, all of us go through this, that you always tempt to invest your spare cash in growth, okay, or we treat ourselves with well earned dividend. Good thing to do, okay. I am not saying don't do it, do it, but you should always keep some cash reserve. Now this will come only when you have little cash in your hand. And see, when you are if you are doing your business with a lot of intensity and involvement, you will have money in the business, okay. No questions asked, it is given, you will have. The challenge is you don't know how to manage that money. That becomes a big challenge. That is the problem, okay. Because that is the problem I see with a lot of business owners, 10, 15, 20 years in business, okay. Money had come, that was one level of problem, okay. After that, when money started coming, they don't know what to do with the money. That itself is another problem. I mean, very important how you manage your money. Earning money, one part of business. If you're in job, that also earning money, one part of your life. Growing that money is a separate part of your life. Two different things, very different things, okay. So it's very important to keep some cash reserves if you have some good cash in your hand, because sometimes there are sudden things that may come up, sudden losses, or certain something. Always have some cash reserve in your cash growth strategies, which is keeping some aside, 10% every month aside, whatever, 5 to 10%. So you build as a cash reserve, so in case of some unplanned contingencies issues, you can use that, right? So don't invest everything back into your business, or don't take out everything out of the business, okay. That is also there. There are extremes. People will either not take anything or they will take out everything. So there is a breakup that you need to do, right, in your how you are managing your personal finances as well, right? How much in you're putting in investments. I am not sure if you are making investments. It is important that your monthly expenses, and then planned, in a plan, because you money does not grow on its own. Money does not grow on its own accord, okay. Money is a seed, it is not a weed. It will not grow on its own. So you need to have right strategies to grow your money. And whatever we have become today, thanks to my husband, who is great with numbers, he has managed our finances very well. I was such bad with money and numbers, so bad. Okay, if I would have run business my way, I would have collapsed long back. Okay, always in giving mode, not looking at anything else. Then that's not the right way to run business, which I learned. Right, so it's important that earning money, keeping is separate, growing your money is a separate aspect, and your focus should be on both earning as well as growing, okay.